Mabuhay! Thank you for calling Clash Your Restaurant. Liza me speaking. How may I help you?
Hello, I would like to make a table reservation, please.
Sure, ma'am. A table for how many?
A table for two only.
Okay, ma'am. A table for two. And what name will the reservation be under, please?
The reservation will be under the name of Zavia.
3, go.
Thank you, Ma'am Zavia. And could I get a contact number for you, please?
My number is 091669220003.
Go.
Your contact number is 0916922003. Am I correct, ma'am?
Yes.
May I know when and what time, ma'am?
Tomorrow at 7 in the evening.
Okay, hold on, ma'am. I will just check if we still have an available table on that time.
Go.
Okay, perfect.
2, 3, go.
Thank you for waiting, ma'am. I'm glad to tell you that we still have an available table for your preferred date and time.
Great. I prefer a non-smoking area because I can't handle the smell.
Okay, ma'am. Do you still have any request or concern you want us to consider?
No more.
How would you like to settle your bill tomorrow, ma'am? Are you going to use cash or credit card payment?
Cash payment, please.
3, go.
Alright, ma'am. Just to confirm your reservation, table for two under the name of Zavia with a contact number 091669220003. For tomorrow at 7 in the evening, you requested a non-smoking area. You prefer to pay cash payment.
That's correct.
Is there anything that may I assist with?
That would be all. Thanks.
Thank you for having business with us. Have a nice day, ma'am.